I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Volkswagen Polo from the 6th generation, produced from 2017 to the present day. This compact hatchback has earned a solid reputation in the United Kingdom for its nimble handling and efficient engines, making it a popular choice for city driving. However, like any car, it comes with its share of weaknesses that owners should be aware of before committing. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as promised. One of the top issues reported by Polo owners is timing belt problems, particularly in models with the 1.0-litre TSI engine. These belts can wear prematurely if not replaced on schedule, leading to costly engine damage that might set you back around £500 at a dealership. Door lock faults rank high among the complaints too, often due to faulty actuators or wiring issues in the central locking system. Owners frequently mention doors failing to lock or unlock properly, which can be a security concern in urban areas like London. Repair costs for this can hover between £100 and £200, depending on whether you opt for genuine Volkswagen parts. Moving on, another prevalent weakness is the DSG automatic transmission, found in many Polo variants. These dual-clutch gearboxes can suffer from mechatronic unit failures, causing jerky shifts or even complete loss of drive. While the Polo's DSG is generally reliable, high-mileage examples over 80,000 kilometers might need a rebuild, costing up to £1,500. Electrical gremlins also plague this generation, with dashboard warning lights illuminating for no apparent reason. Faulty sensors in the engine management system or issues with the infotainment screen are common culprits. Fortunately, a diagnostic scan at a local garage often resolves these for under £100, but repeated occurrences can frustrate owners. Suspension components wear out faster than expected on UK roads, especially the front shock absorbers and bushings. Pothole-ridden streets in cities like Manchester exacerbate this, leading to a bumpy ride after about 50,000 kilometers. Replacement parts are affordable at around £200 per side, but labor adds to the bill. Despite these drawbacks, the Polo shines in fuel efficiency, with diesel models achieving up to 20 km per litre on motorways. Its compact size makes parking a breeze in tight spots, and the interior is surprisingly spacious for a supermini. Safety features like automatic emergency braking come standard on higher trims, earning it a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Engine reliability varies by model. The 1.0-litre MPI petrol unit is praised for its durability and low running costs. However, turbocharged versions demand premium fuel to avoid knocking issues. Overall, maintenance is straightforward if you stick to Volkswagen service intervals every 15,000 kilometers. The Polo's build quality is a strong point, with a solid chassis that handles corners confidently. Yet, some owners report rust on the underbody if not protected against the UK's salty winter roads. A good underseal treatment for about £100 can prevent this long-term headache. Interior plastics, while functional, can scratch easily, diminishing the premium feel over time. On the plus side, the cabin is quiet at speed, making long drives to Scotland comfortable. Upgrades like the Beats audio system add a fun touch for younger drivers. Brake wear is another area to watch, as discs and pads on sportier GTI models need replacing every 30,000 kilometers. This is partly due to the car's agile performance, which encourages enthusiastic driving. Costs for a full set run around £300 fitted. The adaptive cruise control, available on SE trims and above, is a boon for motorway commutes but can glitch in heavy traffic. Resetting the system via the onboard computer often fixes it without professional help. This feature enhances the Polo's appeal for daily drivers covering high mileage. Fuel consumption remains impressive, with the hybrid ETSI variant sipping just 5 litres per 100 kilometers in mixed conditions. However, battery issues in these electrified models can lead to starting problems in cold weather. A replacement battery might cost £200, but it is covered under warranty for the first few years. Tire wear can be uneven if wheel alignment is off, a common complaint after hitting curbs. Regular checks every 10,000 kilometers keep this in check. The Polo's standard tires from brands like Michelin provide good grip in the rain, a must for British weather. Air conditioning systems sometimes fail due to compressor leaks, especially in older 2017 models. This results in poor cabin cooling during summer heat waves. Repairs average £400, but preventive maintenance like regassing for £50 helps. The exhaust system, particularly the diesel particulate filter, clogs if the car is used mostly for short trips. Long drives are needed to regenerate it properly. Owners in rural areas like the Cotswolds report fewer issues here compared to city dwellers. Visibility is excellent thanks to slim pillars, aiding in navigating narrow UK lanes. However, rear parking sensors are prone to failure from dirt buildup. Cleaning them regularly avoids false alerts, and replacements cost about £80. The Polo's resale value holds up well, with a 2020 model fetching around £10,000 on the used market today. This makes it a smart buy for budget-conscious families. Just ensure a full service history to avoid hidden problems. Infotainment connectivity, including Apple CarPlay, is seamless but can lag with software updates. Volkswagen's app integration allows remote locking, a handy feature. Glitches are rare but fixable over the air in newer models. Windscreen wipers and washers work efficiently, but the motor can burn out in heavy use. This is more noticeable in rainy regions like Wales. A new unit costs £150 installed. The boot space of 280 litres expands to over 1,000 with seats folded, perfect for shopping trips. However, the loading lip is high, which might annoy those with mobility issues. It is still more practical than rivals like the Ford Fiesta. Heated seats on higher specs are a winter delight, but the elements can fail after extended use. Wiring faults cause this, with repairs at £200. They add real value for cold commutes in the north. Fuel tank capacity of 40 litres means fewer stops on long journeys, a plus for efficiency. Leaks from the filler neck are uncommon but reported in some recalls. Check Volkswagen's website for any outstanding campaigns. The Polo's steering is light and precise, enhancing the fun factor on twisty B roads. Power steering pumps in electric-assisted systems rarely fail. This reliability contributes to its popularity among new drivers. Catalytic converter theft is a rising concern in urban areas, given the Polo's ground clearance. Protective cages cost around £100 to install. It is a sad sign of the times but worth considering. In conclusion, the Volkswagen Polo 6th generation is a reliable supermini with efficient engines and strong safety credentials, but it is not without flaws like timing belt woes and door lock issues. It suits young professionals or small families in the UK who prioritize economy and urban agility over outright luxury. If you can handle occasional maintenance, priced from about £13,000 new, it is a worthwhile investment for everyday motoring. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.